Hello guys, my name is Molarity. Welcome back to Varsity Blues. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm back with another question for you guys, and it says, give details for the preparation of 675 ml of 0.5 normal HCl. Start with concentrated solution of HCl. So you are given in the data sheet the molecular weight of hydrochloric acid, the density, and the percentage as 28%. To answer this question now, the first thing you have to do is to collect the data. And what do we have? In the data sheet, we were given the molecular weight as 36. We were given the density as 1.15. We were given the percentage as 28%. This is all for the HCl. In the question also, it was stated that you have to prepare 0.5, so you have normality, 0.5 normal HCl. We have the data now and can get into the steps for preparing the solution. The first thing that we have to do is we were given the normality, so from the normality we can get the molarity. The equation of normality is N is equal to Nm, and it is 0.5. For HCl, we have the number of donatable protons it's 1 for HCl, and we have molarity. So C would be 0.5 divided by 1, which is 0.5 molar. Yes, now we have our solution has to be 0.5 molar. We were also told that we are starting with a concentrated solution of hydrochloric acid. So in order for us to get the mass of hydrochloric acid in the concentrated solution, we will use this equation. M is equal to density times volume times percentage. And we were given our density as 1.15. This equation, mass is equal to density multiplied by volume multiplied by percentage, is for 1000 milliliters of volume. So whenever you're using this specific equation, your volume is always 1000 milliliters. So we have a volume of 1000 mils. Our percentage, the percentage of the concentrated solution, we were given as 28%, which is 0.28. Now, putting that into my calculator, I am getting a mass of 322 grams. Now that we have the mass, we can use it to determine the molarity of the concentrated hydrochloric acid solution using this equation. Molecular weight multiplied by molarity multiplied by volume. We were given the molecular weight as 36. We are looking for the molarity, and we have our volume now as 1000 milliliters and is 1 liter. And for M we have 322, right? So the molarity is, plugging this into my calculators, 322 divided by 36 multiplied by 1 is 8.94. Okay. We now have the molarity. We have now determined the molarity of the concentrated hydrochloric acid solution, and we have also determined the molarity of the solution that we're supposed to be preparing and the final volume that the solution has to be. What we're left with now is to determine the initial volume that we're supposed to be taking from the concentrated solution, and we're going to use the equation C1V1 is equal to C2V2. We have C1, we have C2 and V2. We are looking for V1. Our C1 we just determined now, it's 8.94 molar. We don't have the V1. Our C2 is 0.5 molar, and our V2 is, we want 675 mils. So our V1 is equal to everything that's on the right hand side divided by 8.94. Let's plug that into my calculator. It's 0.5 multiplied by 675 divided by 8.94. It is 37.75. 37.75 mils. This is the volume that you're supposed to be taking from the concentrated HCl. You're going to add this volume to water to prepare the 675 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid solution. With questions like this that are asking you to give details for the preparation of a specific solution, it's important that you add a conclusion statement at the end of the question, because there might be marks for it. In this case, our conclusion statement would be something like, take 37.75 milliliters of the 8.94 molar hydrochloric acid, add it to 600 mils of distilled water, and top up the solution to 675 mils with distilled water. And then you'll be able to get your full marks. If there's a specific question that you would like me to answer for you, just kindly write it in the comment section below, or email me the question using the link that's provided in the video description, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share the videos, give it a like if it helped you, and also please click on the bell so you do not miss any important stuff from us. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you. Bye.